A barometric altimeter is a fairly simple mechanical device. What it does is compare the sea level pressure, set in the Colesman window, to the ambient pressure at the static port. It assumes a standard pressure change of about 1 inch of mercury per 1,000 feet. So if the sea level pressure set in the Colesman window is 30.0 and the pressure at the static port is 26 inches of mercury, the altimeter mechanically does the math and displays 4,000 feet. If atmospheric pressure is non-standard, like in answer C, this is not a problem. Correcting for non-standard sea level pressure is what the knob is for. Non-standard temperature, on the other hand, does cause error. The assumption the altimeter is making of 1 inch of mercury per 1,000 feet doesn't hold true if the temperature is different. When it gets cold, the denser atmosphere compresses, so the pressure drops an inch in less than 1,000 feet. The airplane is still at 4,000, but the pressure outside is lower, and the altimeter just does the same math, comparing the pressure outside to the sea level pressure, and in this case, it shows an altitude of 4,500 feet. So when the temperature is lower than standard, the altimeter is telling the pilot they are higher than they actually are. The indicated altitude is higher than true altitude. This is the dangerous case, and why we use the mnemonic high to low or hot to cold, look out below. We think we're at a safe altitude based on the altimeter, but may be closer to terrain than is safe. When it's warmer than standard, the less dense atmosphere stretches out, so the pressure drops less than an inch each 1,000 feet. The airplane is still at 4,000 feet, but the pressure outside is higher, and the altimeter does the math, comparing the pressure outside to the sea level pressure, and in this case it shows an altitude of 3,500 feet. So when the temperature is higher than standard, the altimeter is telling the pilot they are lower than they actually are. Or phrased like the question, the indicated altitude is lower than true altitude. This lines up with answer A. Untangle the inverted wording of the question to get the right answer. If the altimeter indicates a lower altitude than true altitude, then the plane is higher than the altimeter shows.